Good morning. It is your Pokemon grandma coming in, and it's freezing this morning. Like, I don't know why Michigan decided until March to have a winter, but that's not the time to have a winter. We got more snow. So, waiting for my car to defrost because I'm not shoveling it off. I'll just sit here for however long it takes. I know it's not Wednesday and it's not Saturday. It is a Tuesday. And I'm normally off on Tuesdays, which make them great. I'm not off this Tuesday because my car literally got stuck in my driveway Saturday, so I wasn't able to work, and now I have to work today instead. So, here I am. Which is why you're getting a bonus opening this week, because I need something to look forward to. I need something to perk the day up. It's only 8 a.m. Like, perk it up. So, I decided I'm doing an opening. Alright, so this one is a Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars pack. So, I know the roads are slick, so I'm also not looking forward to that drive because people outside my house usually treat my road like the Daytona 500. And they're literally crawling this morning. So, should be fun. Join that crawl. Alright, and then this is the package art. So let's see what we get. I kind of like when my car is covered in snow because it feels more private, more secluded, and it's not as bright. So that's nice too. But once I turn on my wipers, it's all gone. Well, and my defrost in the back works once that works too, but it's all gone. So, yeah. I don't know, this week's not really been eventful. It's just been a week. Go to work, come home, make dinner, go to bed. Repeat! So, I can't open this pack. Why? There we go. Ish, maybe. Ish. Okay. Maybe not. There. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. We have... I'm gonna really try hard not to look ahead this time, but we'll see. We can get going if that works out or not. Alright, so Turtwig. Got a Sneasel. I don't know if they make a Sneasel card with the shiny version, but that'd be kind of cool. Clink. Got a Spiritomb. I'll be honest, I actually have quite a few of these now because the Halloween packs had these in it. Which those were cool. Totally worth what you paid. Although there was a lot of repeats, I will say that. Axew. I like that art. Alright, got a shiny. Got a Mothim. Have that evolved form. And got a Wormadam. Would have rather had another shiny, but I got a V-Star card. And then got a Pachirisu or Pachirisu, something like that. And we got a trainer card, Kindler. It's me during the summertime. Love. Oh, excuse me. I'm not ready for today. I love having a fire. Put more wood in, making it roar. Collapse Stadium. So that was that pack. Honestly, I don't know. I might do one on lunch even. Throw out all the rules today, including my own. Because I have some of those like random Dollar General packs or CVS packs or whatever they are in my work desk. So I think I might do one of those on lunch. So we will see you then. In the meantime, if you're opening up any cards, show your Pokemon grandma. No one's done that yet. And I would like to say, I didn't check this morning, but as of yesterday morning, we're up to 83 views. I'll call it a success. I'm pretty sure I'm only a month in. I think it equals out to about 5 views per video. That's not actually how it works out in the logistics of things, but an average, it's about 5 per video. And that's 5 people listening to me blabber on about a hobby as a grown adult and showing real life and talking about everyday things as an adult, but including Pokemon. It's possible, and it's cool. So, from your Pokemon grandma, peace out, yo. See ya on lunch.